We can get rid of those hiccups for you. Yeah. Oh, little hiccups, huh? Let's give you a little diaphragm massage. Oh. Oh yeah, your belly feels kind of hard. Oh. Okay. Ooh. Mm-hmm. Mm. No.